In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GA4 channel report in Looker Studio. Let's dive right in and get started with setting up your report. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the search bar. Type in Looker Studio to begin. As you access the Looker Studio page, if you haven't already, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will ensure you have all the access necessary to create your report. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Looker Studio dashboard. Here, we're going to focus on building your report. Let's start by clicking on Create, located at the top, and selecting Report from the drop-down menu. Now, Looker Studio gives us the ability to pull in data from various sources. On the Add Data to Report panel that pops up, scan through the list of available connectors and choose Google Analytics. This will be our main source for channel data. It's possible that Looker Studio might ask for permission to access your Google account, especially if this is your first time connecting. Make sure to grant that permission to proceed so the platform can effectively pull the necessary data for you. After that, you'll need to select the specific GA4 account and property you want to report on. Choose the right one carefully, and then click Add to finalize adding this data source to your report. With the data in place, it's time to visualize it. Navigate to the toolbar and choose Insert. Here, you have options like Table or Chart. Feel free to select one that you feel best represents your data. Once decided, drag and drop it onto your report canvas. This is where your data story starts to come to life. Focusing on the chart or table you've added, you'll notice a Properties panel on the right. We'll start with the Setup tab here. Under Dimension, type in and select Session Default Channel Group. This is crucial as it determines how your data is categorized and presented. Now let's add some metrics to bring depth to your report. Still within the Setup tab, identify the metrics that are relevant to you and your stakeholders. You can choose from metrics like sessions, users, event count, or conversions. Adding these will provide a comprehensive view of the channel performance. Finally, once everything looks well-structured and visually coherent, it's a good idea to make any final personalizations that align with your brand or reporting style. When all customizations are complete to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your work. This ensures your report is stored securely for future reference or sharing with colleagues. And there you have it. You're all set with your customized GA4 channel report in Looker Studio.